Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So on the Bitcoin market, we do not see a lot of changes in the Christmas time as well, actually, as in other markets. Mostly we could speak right now only on intraday performance, since there we have few patterns and we could make some update on the performance that we see right now, because on the higher time frames, mostly on the weekly, on the monthly chart, we do not have really big changes. So on the weekly chart, you can see the same shooting star stance. In the recent 2 weeks, it was very small, or better to say, in the last week, it was very small performance, making no real impact on the overall picture. That's why we could just take a look what's going on intraday charts. Speaking on the daily chart, here is one interesting thing that might be formed today, and I think that we should keep an eye on it, is possible appearing of the bearish grabber if market will climb slightly higher. So at this point, as you can see, the top stands at approximately 1692, while here the Bitcoin number stands in the MACD level stands for 1696. So market needs to move slightly higher to touch the line. If even this will not happen today, maybe next week, tomorrow, it will be some performance that could bring the grabber, and that grabber could have the really special meaning. And I explain you why. It's because if we take a look at the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, if you remember, we talked about the hand and shoulders, and it's Christmas time, as you can see, has led for some delay in the forming of the right arm. So we suggest that it would be a bit faster, but in the recent few sessions, you can see some silence on the market, and the market stands just flat. But theoretically, it is still possible that the market could reach the 1740 area. At the same time, here is also might be some, maybe not a surprise, but action might be a bit different. So if we take a look at the hourly chart, this is the ABCD pattern that we already have considered last week. And actually, that is the reason why we talk about 1740s, because ABCD pattern, OP, stands at 1735. And it creates nice potential. It could create nice godless triple to sell pattern right there, which will be a nice background for thinking about taking the short position. But at the current moment, take a look what we have. First of all, it's very lazy and heavy sideways action on the Bitcoin. Okay, let's discount it for Christmas time. But anyway, right there, if you'll take a look at the minor extension, which is a 618 around 17,050, it creates an agreement with a strong confidence resistance, 1743, 1780. And that level currently seems preferable to watch over this level. Just because, first of all, this is a stronger level, and market could show just minor extension, then starts dropping. And second, if this will happen, market indeed will touch it and drop down, we could get grabber on the daily chart, supposedly with the taking out of the lows, or it even could become the starting point of the downward continuation, which actually mostly we're watching for. That's a few moments that to keep an eye on Bitcoin market. So be aware if you're considering taking the long position, or you already have taken a long position this retracement, be aware of this level. It might be turning point. So if you already have longs, move stops to the break even, and be prepared that a reversal might happen earlier, right from this level, but not completion of the 1740 with this head and shoulders pattern. So market could move slightly higher and then start dropping once again. If this level will be broken, then indeed we start watching for this one and next, which might be even the XOP target of this ABCD pattern. It's around 1760, right there. But something tells me that, this level has the special meaning right now, and we should keep an eye on.